Hey everyone! Today we are comparing Cursor, AI, and Replit, two powerful platforms making waves in 2025. If you are just starting out in coding, this video will help you decide which tool suits you best. What are they? Replit is a cloud based code editor that lets you write, test, and deploy code in your browser. It's like VS Code meets GitHub, but all online. On the other hand, Cursor is an AI-powered coding assistant built right into desktop IDE. Think of it as VS Code with AI superpowers, perfect for those who like working offline with strong guidance. 2. Beginner-friendly features. Replit is ideal for beginners. It's got built-in tutorials, a simple UI, and a huge learning community, plus features like Ghostwriter help guide you as you code. And Cursor is slightly more technical. It assumes you are already familiar with some coding basics, but its code suggestions and inline explanations can still be really helpful. And let's talk about the performance and accessibility now. As for Replit, it works entirely in your browser, so no setup, just log in and start coding on any device. It's perfect for students and Chromebook users. Cursor requires installation and gives a strong machine, but it gives you more power and faster performance locally. And as for the collaboration and support, Cursor is more solo focused but integrates with Git for team-based development, and Replit has a real-time collaboration perfect for class projects or coding with friends. Replit is your best bet for its simplicity, flexibility, and built-in learning tools. But if you have got some experience and want a more pro setup with AI help, give Cursor a try, like, subscribe, and let me know which one you are using in 2025. Thank you so much for watching.